have it, and consequently Clause 4 stand part of the bill. Clause 5. The question is that Clause 5 do stand part of the bill. All those in favor of it may say aye. All those against it may say no. I think the ayes have it, and consequently Clause 5 stands part of the bill. Clause 6. The question is that Clause 6 do stand part of the bill. All those in favor of it may say aye. All those against it may say no. I think the ayes have it, and consequently Clause 6 stand part of the bill. Clause 7. The question is that Clause 7 do stand part of the bill. All those in favor of it may say aye. All those against it may say no. I think the ayes have it, and consequently Clause 7 stand part of the bill. Clause 8 amendment. There is an amendment in Clause 8 standing in the name of Ms. Mariam Aurangzeb, Minister for Information and Broadcasting. Now I call upon Minister for Information and Broadcasting to move her amendment.
I move that in Pakistan Electronic Media Regulatory Amendment Bill 2023, as reported by the Standing Committee for Clause 8, the following shall be substituted, namely 8. Amendment of Section 20, Ordinance 13 of 2002. In the said ordinance in Section 20, in Clause E, the expression "and such content" will be in addition to preamble, and the licensee will also submit an annual compliance report to this effect, or as and when required by the authority shall be added at the end. And B, after Clause 1, for the full stop at the end, a semicolon shall be substituted, and thereafter the following new clause shall be added, namely, not air disinformation. K, ensure that during a regular program, a continuous break for advertising shall not exceed 5 minutes, and duration between two such successive breaks shall not be less than 10 minutes, and ensure that the content of the channel available on electronic media, including logo and name, shall not vary, alter, substitute, tempered on digital media or any other similar forum.
Now I put the amendment as moved by Minister for Information and Broadcasting to the House. The question is that the amendment as moved be adopted. All those in favor of it may say aye. All those against it may say no. I think the ayes have it, and consequently the amendment is adopted. Now I put the Clause 8 as amended to the House. The question is that Clause 8 as amended do stand part of the bill. All those in favor of it may say aye. All those against it may say no. I think the ayes have it, and consequently Clause 8 as amended stand part of the bill. Clause 9. The question is that Clause 9 do stand part of the bill.